In the next few days, I'm going to be ordering a bunch of metal parts for my universal dirt bike electric start kit. This time, all the parts will be out of metal, and this will be the first functional prototype ever. So here's what I've been doing in the last day or two to help prepare for this. For one, I went back and checked most of my numbers to make sure that my motor was good, my gear ratios are correct, and my tolerances will be fine. Then using these numbers, I was able to pick out a bunch of gears that worked for the setup, and then using those gears that worked for the setup, I was able to design a custom housing for them. And since this is like a one-off custom part, I decided to design it so that it would take as little machining as possible. And I did this by keeping my geometry very simple. The side effects of this is that the case is pretty big, and even the parts inside of the case are also pretty big because I went with all off-the-shelf parts for this first model. After the Kickstarter is done, this thing will be about half the size as it is now. Including a smaller motor and a smaller gearbox, everything will be way more refined. But I just need a working prototype. Overall, I'm very confident in the off-the-shelf gears that I picked out, and I think that my case design will work out just fine too. But tonight, I'm going to continue to double check a lot of my tolerances, especially the ones on the inside of the bike, like that custom Bendix piece that I made to make the shaft of the Kickstart spin 360 degrees. I can't wait to see this thing come to life.